You've probably heard it time and time again. We live in flash flood alley, and what breaks a drought is typically a massive flash flood, which unfortunately we have realized. And we're not totally out of the woods just yet. We do talk about the lakes. Just to give you an idea, in the last 2 days, Lake Travis up 17 1/3 feet. Lake Buchanan up just shy of 4 feet. Both of these are continuing to rise. It's a dramatic increase, and unfortunately at a terrible cost, with all of the damage and the loss of life as well. Right now we're sitting at 74 degrees. No, radar is mostly quiet. I'm watching a couple of showers that tried to form in Mason County. Some of the latest high-res computer models are actually leaning toward Mason County for the most likely spot of possible heavy rain redeveloping overnight tonight or into early tomorrow. Note, in the last 24 hours, though, the worst of the rain has been right through areas of Burnett County, northwest Travis, and southwest Williamson County. But last night, it was Mason County that saw some spots with 20 inches of rain. So that area is primed for potential re-flooding should we see redevelopment of heavy rain, which is a possibility. But look at this, 18.7 inches right there on the Travis and Burnett County line and Williamson County line just in 24 hours. I just checked, LETX floods is at 134 road closures. If you do see water across the road, turn around, don't drown. Just because the rain stops doesn't mean things have totally improved. For instance, at the San Gabriel River, which crested earlier at over 33 feet, which is the second highest crest on record, we still have a flood warning. It's a moderate flooding, receding. Flood stage is 9 feet. Right now it's at 14.97 feet. So it will be going down, but Granger Lake, I hear, has some crazy flooding still. So areas downstream eventually will spill out of Granger Lake, which is over 100% full, all the way into Milam County. All right, river flood warning also for the Colorado River in San Saba, and also that's going to drain into Lake Buchanan, which will eventually mean Lake Buchanan will see some bigger boosts. We also have the extension of the flood watch until at least 1 p.m. tomorrow for most of our area, 7 p.m. for Mason County. And I mentioned to you, radar's quiet right now. I don't want that to lull you into a sense of security. I'm planning on setting my alarm multiple times overnight just to check in on the situation, because I have a hunch we might see some isolated redevelopment. Here's our latest high-res computer model. It's popping some activity overnight out through Llano County as well as Mason County, and it won't take much for us to see some additional development of heavy rain, which could cause renewed flooding. Placement of this, not exact. So it could be Mason County. Maybe it's going to be Llano County. Perhaps it's Burnett County. It doesn't matter where it forms. If it forms, we could yet again see more flooding. And then as we work our way through the afternoon, pop-up showers and storms with the heaviest likely out in the western hill country. So the latest high-res computer model shows about a little more than a half an inch in Mason, but there could be some isolated pockets of multiple inches of rain. Needless to say, we will continue keeping on top of this for you. You can also track this on our CBS Austin weather app or on our website and social media. Tomorrow, 88 degrees, 40% chance of showers and storms. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, can't pull the plug on rain just yet. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we finally do. But temps